every place we go to, there's obviously many spirits from your history that either come along with you to an event to listen, or spirits that are already here in this area. So in Austria, now we're in Austria, that have never heard divine truth either, even in the spirit world. So gives us an opportunity to have that first discussion with them, and also hopefully allow them to talk to some of our spirit friends so that they can progress as well.
Because they're still quite interested in the earth, sometimes this is the best place for them to start hearing about it.
Yeah. Yeah, and we also find that every country has its own emotional injuries. And because you're a collective of countries, obviously all coming from Europe in some way or another, as the rest of the world sees you, obviously some of your emotional injuries are going to be different to others who are here. And so this gives us an opportunity to talk with you too, and also on Sunday for you to be open about what things you're facing and what questions you have about that, and how does that relate to God's truth as well.